Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today you will learn a trap made by Black with a brilliant sacrifice of his knight. This trap is popularly known as fishing trap. So let's get started. The game will start with pawn to e4. Then we would move pawn to e5. Here the white would attack our pawn with his knight. We would defend our pawn with our knight. Here the most common move is bishop to b5. Here the knight would attack our e4 pawn, but we won't save it. Instead we would go for a long castle. Here you would think, why didn't we capture the e4 pawn? This is because if we capture the e4 pawn, then our knight will be attacked by a rook. The rook would go back and hence the knight will capture our pawn. So this will be a equal game. Here we would go for g4. Here white would see the knight is attacking the three pawns in front of king and would certainly want knight to not be in the kingdom. So we would go for h3. So here we will give a shock to white as we would not save our knight. Instead we would go for h5. Here the pawn will capture our knight. We will again recapture the pawn, attack on his knight. His knight had no option left, would have to go back. So here we will go for h4, queen to h4. The only option for white is to create some space and go for f4. Here we would simply go for g3. So here now any move for white, the king is going for a checkmate. So let's go a little back and guess that if white wouldn't capture our knight, what would the option for us? Let's suppose the bishop capture our other knight. Then we'll simply capture with our pawn. Then here's the most common move 4. Then we will recapture the d4 pawn. Here after some changes we will see the queen capture our pawn, will capture his queen, again recaptured by our knight. So here we would save our knight as pawn was attacking our knight. And now you can see the game is equal. Our are in an attacking position, so we can easily win the game. So here let's go a little back, and here let's stop here. So here what if, as there are other options, and white gets conscious and thinks that why did we want to sacrifice our knight. So here after 3 we will go for knight to d4. Then our knight captures our knight. Our knight was creating pressure on many of the pawns, so we would recapture our knight. Then we would recapture with our pawn simply. Then here is an attack on the knight. The most common move is knight attacking our d4 pawn. Then after any move, let's suppose bishop to a4, we will go for knight to e3. After knight captures our pawn, we will just go for c3. Here attack on our knight. The most common move is the re-attack on our knight. We will give a check by capturing his knight. The queen would certainly capture our knight again, and we would go for bishop to b3. Then we would go for pawn to c4. Here the bishop our pieces are developed, and this was the fishing pole trap. Thanks for watching. Subscribe us for more chess tricks and videos. Comment if you want any. By Astha.